tender bowl to go to Thai.
Yes, we are in the tender bowl.
This one.
The water is not deep enough, right there.
Yeah, that's correct. So
we need
the
a
cruise
lot.
couldn't park there.
So we need a lifeboat.
Yes, to go to the shore.
The movie. Right there.
Yes, we're moving.
This is the, your left is the old city in Cannes, you know? This building. You have the restaurant.
Okay.
Good restaurant. Very nice restaurant here. You have the for the fish like this is very nice. Here. The Gaston Gastinet. This restaurant. It's very nice. For the pizza here.
This one, which one?
one.
La pizza. It's nice?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
The best pizza in Cannes.
Wow.
The garden here, you have the administration, the building. The administration in Cannes. This. In the night here, at maybe 6 p.m., 7 p.m. is the full.
Ah.
Many people. You have the music, you have the drink, you have everything, you have the food if you want, you have everything. It's very nice. You have the theatre, you know? And here you have the festival movie.
Ah.
You want to take a picture?
It's by the sea. Yes, soon we will arrive at the beach. The sea. Yes, right, it is.
So we are at the pebble beach. And the interesting thing is the beach is not the sand.
Yeah.
But it's rock.
Yeah, it needs the beach is not a sand, but it's the rock. That's why they call it the pebble beach.
That is interesting.
Yeah, but it's interesting. Very beautiful. pass by the airport by that direction, not so far. And
Maybe I'm gonna see you later.
yes.
Wow.
Space airport. It's very nice.
Very good. Yes. So it's like the viewpoint of French Riviera.
This is the view of the French Riviera code.
Ah, the start of the Formula One.
Yes, for the car. Here, stop.
Ah.
Now we are in Monaco. So we are in Monaco. We are in front of Hotel De Paris and Cagney. We are not in front of Hotel De Paris.
Yes. Hotel.
There's a yacht. There's so many yachts.
The Hotel de Paris is under renovation.
I like to play this.
I think it's the mansion.
This is the scenic grill. Wow. Like boat.
Yes. Boat and yacht.
There's some small kids. Now I'm having the MARCOLINI ice cream. Yeah, you think it's gonna be yummy? I know it's
Yeah.
yummy for me.
It's gonna be yummy for sure.
I'm having chocolate.
Mom, what are you having?
Vanilla.
And I'm chocolate, but with dark chocolate.
Bye bye Monaco. It's such a great country to be in, right Dad?
Yes, very good.
Had a great time.
Okay, we walk up to our car.
but we didn't know it would hit like that.
Yes, our chauffeur, our driver told us. Good view too.
Our cruise is over. We just finished eating and we're still in cars, but we are gonna go back now. So bye bye, friends. There, our cruise. Let's zoom it.
Our cruise is there.
Bye, Con. Bye. So, some of the lifeboats are here, Dad.
Yes, we're gonna go to the lifeboat, but now we get the clear view of our epic boat from afar. Yeah. Yep.
Norwegian Epic.
Okay, it's time to get on to the cruise. Bye-bye, car.
It's raining! It's raining!
It's not bumpy anymore.
We're back on our room on the cruise. And look at how the lifeboat stays. Don't drop your phone. Oh, there's two lifeboat coming.
Yep.
Lifeboat is down there.
Yes.
Dad, don't drop yourself. There's a lifeboat. They are racing together. I think that's why they're gonna win, right? Dad?
They're not racing. They just come one to the front of the cruise and another one to the back. You know, one to the front, one to the back.
I think this one gonna win.
Yeah.
Oh, it's raining
Really?
again. So I think I wouldn't be able to play this.
Okay, we can do other activities.
But it should stop raining. Maybe.
Yeah.
What's
Is
the-
it really raining?
Yeah, look. Look,
Oh yes.
it's really raining.
So what is the highlight of the day, Nobby, for today?
When I go to like Monaco.
Yes, you like Monaco, right?
Yep. And you know what is the worst part?
What?
When mom goes here.
Ah, I know, yes, when she went shopping.
Look. Yeah.
Yes,
This
the
one with the
place.
rain. It stopped raining. It's still raining. So maybe I will see you later. Bye. So I'm in the steakhouse of the cruise. I'm finished eating already. I'm having dessert. Dad is also having dessert. What are you having?
I think I'm gonna have creme brulee.
What are you having?
No, nothing. I'm full.
Last time.
Mommy,
I did with bread. But they are cute.